Samsung is reportedly working on a groundbreaking project, the Galaxy S27 Ultra with a 400MP camera, which, if true, could represent a major leap forward in mobile photography. This rumored sensor would significantly outpace current smartphone cameras, even Samsung's own 200MP lens on the S24 Ultra, potentially redefining detail, clarity, and professional-grade imaging from a phone. With such an enormous resolution, the S27 Ultra could offer unprecedented digital zoom capabilities, ultra-high-resolution cropping, and stunning performance in well-lit conditions. However, a sensor this large would also demand cutting-edge image processing, advanced AI optimization, and potentially larger storage options due to the massive file sizes. My expectation is that Samsung will pair this camera with its top-tier ISOCELL technology, improved optical image stabilization, and a new generation of its Exynos or Snapdragon chips to handle the data throughput. If executed well, the S27 Ultra could set a new industry benchmark, not just for photo quality but for the overall potential of smartphone imaging systems. However, much will depend on how Samsung balances this raw power with practical usability, low light performance, and thermal efficiency.